Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to read your blood inventory, checking what stock you hold, who donated it, and which patients are requesting each blood type so you always know where your units stand at a glance. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Now select Blood Inventory. The page opens with your current stock broken down by blood type, so you can see what's available across the board. Each blood type shows at a glance, with two ways to drill in: donor details and patient requests. This is your command center for matching what you hold against what's being asked for. To view donor details for a specific blood group, click here to see every unit you hold of it. You'll find the donor, the component type, the volume, and the donation and expiry dates, plus where each unit is stored. Keeping an eye on those expiry dates is what stops good stock going to waste. Back on the blood inventory overview, click here to view patient requests for that same blood type to see who's waiting on it. Each request shows the patient, the hospital, the quantity needed, the priority, and whether it's been paid. Reading this against your donor stock tells you instantly whether you can fulfill a request and which ones to prioritize. And that's a wrap on blood inventory. You've just learned how to read your stock, check donor details, and review patient requests by blood type. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.